What's up? It's Lucas with Man-Made. I'm here with Dre. We're gonna open up this big old box from Palmgren. We're gonna see what's in it. This is cool because I don't really have this tool in this capacity in my shop, and it's also something that Dre's been wanting, which is awesome that we have it now. Okay. Warnings.
Safety information.
All right, so we got some arbors, some washers. Here you go. All right. Okay, so this, we got it out of the box. We got it set up and plugged in. This is the 1.5 horsepower variable speed, digitally variable speed buffer from Palmgren. 10 inches, 1 inch arbors, and totally variable speed from 900 up to 3000 RPM in 100 RPM increments. So what's awesome is it's got 3 preset speeds and then an up and down arrows here, so you can actually just bump it from any of those presets to whatever speed you want in 100 RPM increments. And no wheels for it yet, they haven't come in yet, but we will soon. In the meantime, let's turn it on. All right, so we'll turn it on. And let's start at 900. So we'll press the button and it'll soft start its way up to 900. If I want to go to 1800. And then 3000. So smooth. It's so smooth. And we can bump our way down. Middle. So cool. So what's great about the variable speed on a buffer, especially for her, is that she can use it to buff epoxy, polish epoxy. And with epoxy, you want to buff it at a lower speed so it doesn't melt. So with this, she can dial it all the way down to whatever speed she needs, down to 900 RPM, to buff any of her resin projects. And I can use it for brass and aluminum and steel, any of those things. So we're gonna end up with a bunch of different wheels, each wheel for different compounds, and I think we'll be really happy with it.
Yeah.
I'm really excited about it.
I'm also really excited about it.
So thank you, Palmgren. This is awesome. We'll check back in when we have wheels for it and we get it mounted up on a pedestal.
Thanks,
Check them out.
Woo.